Wake up! Animal Company just got a new update, so you need to get out of your bed right now, put on your VR, lose your life, and play some Animal Company! Okay, I've done a little research on this, and apparently, you just jump through there, you go into your schizophrenic uncle's basement. You know, it's quite skibbity. You know, I'm gonna jump in there in a second. First, we gotta gear up. First, we need the flint and steel. Then we need a pickaxe. And then we'll get the diamond armor, full set. As you can see, I've watched the Minecraft movie. Let's go cave diving. Whoa! What? Whoa, really? Thank you. I don't care. You're able to swim. Oh, this is so cool. I love radioactive material. There's something glowing over here, bro. Oh, it's just a flashlight. What's that ore, though? It's not an ore? What is that? It looks like an impulse grenade. Hey, nice hustle, tons of fun. Next time we eat a salad. Ah, Ollie! Ah, Ollie! Mommy! My hands go! Oh, it's right there. Oh, help me! What? I'm scared. Mommy, no! Mommy, where am I? Mommy! Okay, we're just gonna collect a suitcase of those, I guess, because why not? Because we're skibbity. I had a duck down IRL for that one. It looks like there's an exit right there, though. So when we need to leave, we'll just go there. No, I don't want to leave. Derpert. Robin, no, more. Oh yeah, well think fast. I don't like horn. She's massive. Rocket launcher. Like, what happened if, say, someone were to theoretically, I don't know, just hit this real quick? I'm sure nothing will. Oh god. Apparently, I looked on the news. Another, like, an incident happened. For me, an average Tuesday. Yeah, okay. I guess this is the way. Oh wait, there's more. There's damn more, boy. Boy, I'm gonna lay you out. Okay. Okay, let's go! Where? Oh. I'm in that sewers place. But how did you get out? Because usually there's a teleporter up there. I guess I removed it. Okay. I guess we gotta jump. God, I hate this. Creep. What? No. Bloody bastard. You wouldn't dare. Fuck! Give me up. No wait, it was this one that you got out, right? No, this was the one that led to hook shot. Jarvis, sonar. Jarvis, great work. Jarvis, teleport us home. Jarvis, jerk it a little. Jarvis, clean up the... Okay. Well, it looks like it's the new update. Let's go check out the tech tree. Okay, so the stash grenade, does it store items? We'll just throw that thing right there. Hey, nice, lots of fun. Next time, going to sound. Dang fast! Oh! Michael, help! What the actual... Okay, I guess I created a black hole. Go off, that's skibbity. A cardboard box. A box, but you might get the sudden urge to hide beneath it. Oh, it's fire. Even more pockets? No. I'm gonna go get... I said we get even more pockets and then get the nut shredder because I need the nut shredder. Why? Because I just do. And my hand's tweaking out. Also, I swear that they changed the movement mechanics for this game. It is actually kind of infuriating, you know? It makes me want to crash out, you know? We'll go this way because I think that's the... No! Wait a minute. It is just way more efficient to move with this, like I already was, but it might just be my hands tweaking out, but like, shit slides now. Okay, that was just my hands tweaking out, not the game, but like, you might be able to see it, and it's actually kind of making me a little angry. Watch me slide. Watch me whip, watch me nene. Okay, now where the hell is even more pockets? No. Okay. I need to get up there. Okay, good thing I brought this. Hawk 2. See, it says 1, you know. Oh, this is cheap, but now it's like freaking 3, you know. Animal Company, fix your game. Jarvis. Jerk it up. Okay, now we just need to hit it here. Oh, the nut shredder's only one? Really? Time's up. What is that noise? Okay. Well, we now got the nut shredder. Oh, I actually already mentioned that. Woo! And my hand's having a seizure again. I think I need to replace my batteries. And I'm having a stroke. Okay. Well, that looks like it. That's it for the new update for Animal Company. Oh yeah, they also now have an app. I would go to it, but like shows repair code, and I don't want that chat. Okay. But that's gonna conclude today's video. And as for you, you should stay fancy.